Here we have a 67 plate BMW 330D M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with just under £2,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well, which is part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler, and there's a closer look at another alloy wheel. Now we do also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust on the left and a power operated tailgate, so if you press the button just here on the remote, you'll find it will open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need, with a parcel shelf at the top. We also have the storage nets on both the left and the right hand side. Coming back out, you'll also find we have the button just up here. Press the button and it will close again like so. Back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look at the interior, so just heading on into the back first, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. Now again at the front, got the same leather seats. Both front seats are heated, and that is a quick look at them. We do have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the volume button and phone connectivity on the right with the paddle shifters as well either side, speedometer and the cruise control on the left, high beam assist just there on that stalk, and we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard. Now we also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If this is flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we've got the sat nav, but we also have the media options. If you click the button, you find the radio stations along with the other media options just here which you can scroll through. We have the phone connectivity for making phone calls. Further down, you'll also find the vents with the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning, heated seats on either side, all working as they should do, as you can see just there. We also have the cup holders underneath there. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. Press onto these buttons, you can quickly switch between the different drive modes just like so. We also have the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Let's just leave it in comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the manual handbrake and also the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330D. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm going to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left, onto the right hand side, staying straight on true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap all the paddles and then it will change gear. We also have the cruise control and the speedometer buttons just here on the left hand side. Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible, and if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, easy to do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. It also has many more features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we have the dual zone climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for them hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth through all the gears along with the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where I will perform an emergency stop. So if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down, and then we're going to have to wait for this truck to pull out before we can make the right hand turn. So wait for the traffic to go past now. Last few cars, and then we'll make the right hand turn. This car's letting me go. Taking the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.